Hello friends, if 4 to the power of x is equal to 8, then what is the value of x? Friend, we will solve this equation in a very easy way. We can write 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2 bracket to the power of x is equal to 8. Now, according to exponential rule, a to the power of m bracket power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. By using this rule, we can write this as 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 8. Now, 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 8 is same as 2 to the power of 3. Here 2 base same. We know that when base is same, the exponential rule a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of c. A cancel out, it will be b is equal to c. By using this rule, we can write 2x is equal to 3. We have to find the value of x, so that divide by 2 both sides, it will 2x divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. This and this 2 cancel out. It will be x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the final answer. To check, the given equation is 4 to the power of x is equal to 8. Put the value of x in this equation. It will be 4 to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to 8. We can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 bracket power 3 by 2 is equal to 8. By using the formula a to the power of m bracket power n is equal to a to the power of mn, so that we can write 2 to the power of 2 times 3 by 2. This and this 2 cancel out. It will be 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. The value of 2 to the power 3 is 8 is equal to 8. So that our final answer is x is equal to 3 by 2. Thanks for watching.